Hello friends, today I will review OnePlus 6 and quickly tell you whether this OnePlus 6 is a flagship killer or not. Basically, we will test 5 main features, that is camera, design, battery, performance and storage. First, we were talking about camera. Yes, this is among the most important feature on which many decides whether to buy a mobile or not. But at this price tag, its performance looks to be just simple or rather ordinary. There are many cheaper phones than OnePlus 6 which produces much better results. And yes, everyone is aware of Nokia phones, they are always better. And for now, there is no mobile which is having better camera than Google Pixel. You already know, so no doubt in it. Talking about design and style, actually I was expecting OnePlus 6 to bring an innovation in design like Redmi did, but they came with a pretty boring notch display, and also it came with back glass finish which makes it brittle or less durable, but fine as of now. But still, I personally feel there is no mobile which is as beautiful as iPhone SE, or you can simply say previously iPhone 5s. Still, there are many people who are waiting for iPhone SE 2, and nobody knows whether it will be launched or not, or if it's just a rumor. Talking about performance, yes, OnePlus 6 have got great hardware configuration and it's fast, and I mean it's faster, but there are many other smartphones which are way faster than OnePlus 6 like Xiaomi or MI Black Shark, and still as way to process application or any processes are different in iOS compared to Android. So still, or most of the iPhones are better than this OnePlus 6. Now talking about storage, it has got 256GB, 128GB and 64GB variant, which is not expandable. They should have actually provided it. And just have a look at Samsung Note 9. It can support up to 1TB. So again, in storage also it is not best, but it's not bad. It's okay, fine. Now talking about battery, it is having 3300 milliamperes battery, which is similar to OnePlus 5T and OnePlus 5. I think there are many phones which are having more battery than this. I still feel it's necessary for heavy user to carry a power bank always. So at last, concluding, yes, although this OnePlus 6 is not best at any feature, but it's almost great at all features. So yes, still we can say this OnePlus 6 is a flagship killer because of its perfect mixture of all features, except for one, that is camera. Otherwise, yes, still you can call it a great flagship killer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe.